we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy P-Town back in the building with another video. I know it's been a minute since I've been in front of y'all. I know y'all miss me. I missed y'all. So we gonna hop right into this video. So as you see, I did get a package in. This came from Snooch Customs. I had opened it up. I'm gonna show y'all what they gave me. If you follow Who Has the Heat, shout out to E-Money, 313 Retro Queen, PM Kicks, and my boy, my homie McFly KOF. They're all, you know, the hosts for that show, and Snooch Customs is one of the sponsors. So I had got a question right on the last Who Has the Heat, so I was awarded a shirt. So Snooch Customs sent me this shirt right here. Says use your noodles, and it has number 3 right here. I like this colorway, so the shirt is dope. Thank you, Snooch Customs. I will put their link in the description of this video, and I'll put their IG in the description of the video as well, so y'all can go ahead, because they make their own stuff. As you see, this is one of their own designs, and they also will customize stuff that you want. So they make goods, they do good work, so you know, y'all should definitely hit them up for sure. Definitely hit them up. So that was that. So now, like y'all see in the title, 15 years in the making, I finally got this shoe back. So this shoe came from GOAT, and if you can read labels, you know what this is and you know why I got it. So as y'all see, size 10, y'all see that right there. So y'all already know what this is. So like I said, this came from GOAT. So GOAT now is doing their verification and stuff like this now. They just punch it like no one signed this. So I don't know, you know, like I said, the authentication process, who knows. So that's that, and they gave me a sticker, so that's that. But the shoes, wow, the Melo 2s. And like I said, if you've been following my channel, you know why I picked these up. I needed a new pair because, like I said, the last pair that I had is from 04, and I'm about to pull them boys out. So like I said, if you're new, if you know my channel, you know I've been on Who Has the Heat. You know when they say pull out your best beach or your worst beach shoe, y'all know what I be pulling out. Wow, this boy right here. This shoe has been through the ringer. Had this boy since this boy came out in 04. I had it since 06. So yeah, man, this shoe is history. I needed a new pair. The Melo 2s is one of my favorite 2s. So when I found out they were dropping last year, it was a definite, they were a must cop. But y'all, as y'all know Jordans just be sitting. So I was like, okay, I don't want to pay the full $190. These are going to go down in price. They end up going down, but when they went down to a price that I felt comfortable with paying, I didn't have the money. And like I keep telling y'all, my outlet doesn't get anything, so they never got the shoe in. I was checking, calling for it, they never got it. So I had to go to GOAT, saw them for 110, pick these boys up. So yes, these are what's up. So like I said, I'll do a mini review on it because I know y'all seen this. Y'all know in the inside it has Melo right there. Y'all know, like, it has the number 15 for Melo right here. 2s has some of the best quality. So yeah, this toe box is pretty soft. This got a little bit of dirt stains on it. I could clean that off. That's not a big deal to me. So yeah, I'll clean them and relace them and get them how I want them. So as y'all see, got the Nike on the back. You know, I got the rubber right here. And yeah, man, these are size 10. I checked, both sizes are the same. Yeah, so The only really difference between this pair and the 2004 pair is just the tab here, if it picks up, because like I said, this shoe's old as heck. It has a 23 right there. That's really it. They're pretty much the same shoe, but that's really it. So like I said, man, I know y'all were tired of seeing the shoes, especially 313 Retro Queen. Shout out to her. She said she's tired of seeing this shoe. So like I said, this will be the last time y'all see this shoe, because after this video, wow, actually in this video, these shoes are finito. So, oh man, I'm going to do it. I'm gonna relace these. I'm gonna do it on foot. Y'all gonna see that coming up soon, and we gonna go from there. So, like I said, man, these were dope. These are dope, man. These were a must-have for me. Had to get these back in the collection. So thankful I was able to get them. I like the price that I got them for. So right now, here comes on foot. Alright guys, as y'all see, y'all saw that on foot. I killed it as usual. So now, without further ado, we're going to end the video off right here. So like I said, if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. 15 years in the making. We got the boys. They came home and they're coming to stay. They will never get like that pair that I flipped off. And like I said, this is history, man. So like I said, y'all like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. We are out of here, guys. Woo! Peace.